In this video, I will show you how to contact Uber Eats for a wrong order. So in order to do that, first things first is to just go to your accounts tab right here on the bottom. Now from in here, you can click on your order and then you can click on a particular order that you want help with. Alternatively, you can also just go back right here to your account page and then click on this help option. Once you have clicked on that, you can click on this delivery and pickup basics. And then you can see this, the data privacy. You can also go to accounts and payments. So for this one, you can just choose a payments option. Now in here, just click on this right here. And you can also just say to them anything that you want regarding your wrong order. You can also contact them using their support on the Google, wherein you can chat with them. But first, you should be able to chat with a chatbot, and then next, a live agent. So that's how you contact Uber Eats for a wrong order. Hope we helped.